Our journey with Enairon begins in 2019 when a project was started at Stora Enso. We wanted to evaluate Enairon's new energy-efficiently technology of compressing air. The purpose was to save electric energy and pave the way for technology that could revolutionize the compressor industry. Compressed air is crucial to various activities of our mill. However, we are aware that it is a highly inefficient utility. What caught our attention of the gravity compressor was the simple construction and the straightforwardness of the technology. I mean, water and gravity has been utilized in various ways for thousands of years. We knew that the remarkably high energy efficiency had already been verified with researchers at Chalmers University of Technology. So the natural next step was to install the gravity compressor in industrial environments. And since we are constantly seeking innovative solutions to improve efficiency and sustainability, the gravity compressor's potential made it an obvious choice for a real-world testing. It is both exciting and challenging to test new technology, especially when it involves such an important resource as compressed air. But we are very pleased with the outcome of the project. We have evaluated it under different loads and it maintains excellent efficiency throughout. It is integrated with our control system and it adapts to our various air demands. And since the compressors is rotating at such low speed, we are not concerned about the construction wearing out. We commend the compressor's exceptional flexibility and its outstanding efficiency, which not only had reduced our cost but also enhanced the sustainability of our operations. With that said, we are eager to see what the future holds.